Most people waste $60 on a personal blender that dies in 3 months. I tested the top 5 so you don't have to. And the winner isn't what anyone expected. Stay until the end, because the number 1 budget pick at number 5 might be the only one you actually need. Whether you want a quick protein shake before the gym, a morning smoothie, or just something that doesn't take 10 minutes to clean, a good personal blender is a game changer. But the market is flooded, so let's cut through the noise. Number 5, NutriBullet Pro 900. At number 5, the NutriBullet Pro 900. This 900-watt machine has been the go-to budget blender for years, and for good reason. It crushes frozen fruit, blends leafy greens with 0 chunks, and handles protein powder like a champ. It's loud, it's simple, and it just works. Perfect if you're spending under $80 and don't want any fuss. Number 4, Ninja Blend Boss 1200W. Number 4 is the Ninja Blend Boss. 200 watts, a 26-ounce cup that actually fits in your car cup holder, and an ice crush setting that turns cubes into snow in seconds. If you're always on the go and hate transferring your drink to a separate cup, this one was literally made for you. Number 3, Ninja Professional Plus BN8C1. Number 3 goes to the Ninja Professional Plus BN801, the highest scoring blender in Consumer Reports lab tests. What makes it stand out? It doesn't just do smoothies. It pureed soups, crushed ice, and handled everything thrown at it without breaking a sweat. It also comes with 3 cups and travel lids. Great if multiple people in your house want smoothies at the same time. Number 2, Beast Mega 1200. Number 2 is the Beast Mega 1200, America's test. Kitchen's top pick, and honestly, a beast in name and in action. Its motor tears through the toughest, most fibrous ingredients, kale stems, frozen mango, dates, and turns them into the smoothest texture you've ever seen from a personal blender. It also has one of the largest capacities in this category, so you can make 2 smoothies at once. The only downside? The ribbed jar makes it slightly harder to clean. Number 1, Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo. And the number 1 pick, the Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo. This thing topped nearly every expert ranking in 2026. And after looking at everything, performance, value, ease of use, and durability, it's easy to see why. It absolutely dominates smoothies and protein shakes, comes with multiple cup sizes, and holds up long term. If you only buy one personal blender this year, this is it. Quick cheat sheet before you go. Just want cheap and reliable? NutriBullet Pro 900 always on the go? Ninja Blend Boss. Want the best of everything? Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo. Serious about smoothie quality? Beast Mega $1,200, that's the list. Drop a comment below telling me which one you picked. Or if you're using a blender I didn't mention, I want to hear about it. If this saved you from a bad buy, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel. And subscribe if you want more no-nonsense product breakdowns like this. I'll see you in the next one.